How to copy and scan on the HP PageWide XL printer series. To begin, navigate the front panel menu and tap the Copy button.
Configure your copy settings by selecting one of the presets or creating your own. When you're ready to copy, press Copy. Insert your first page with the image facing up. Make sure the edge of the paper and the corners are straight when inserting. When you're finished copying, press Finish. The printer will print the copied page. Retrieve your copy from the output destination. Next, we will scan. Navigate the front panel menu and tap the Scan button. Configure your scan settings for things such as color and resolution. Select one of the default presets or customize your own.
Select the rest of your settings such as file format.
When you're ready to scan, click Continue. Click your preferred scan destination. Once the scan has gone through, before you retrieve the page, you have to click the Release Page button. You can set this to be automatic by configuring it in a preset. Once you've finished scanning, press the Finish button.
You have now finished copying and scanning.